Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this Kinder Joy.
Okay, let's see what toys you got.
Okay, open it up. Come on, open it. Okay.
Are you feeling well enough to eat that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see what you got. Are you excited? You've been waiting for...
Wow! Mine didn't open. Let me help you.
Okay, she's gonna help you.
Here it is. This is the food. Wait, which one is the food?
This one is the chocolate because it is a spoon.
This one's the food, and this one's the fries. Okay.
What do you think is inside that? What's inside the
I
toy?
I think mine is gonna be this. I want that.
What kind of toy do you think? Oh, there's pictures of
I
toys.
want the honey bear.
Oh,
Here,
that's
Noah,
so
come
cute.
on, open up the food first. Yeah. Take the spoon off. Okay.
Exciting. Oh,
Uh-oh,
what
this
toys
one's a
did you got?
toy?
Let's see what you got.
No, I gotta save the toy for later.
Wait, what?
Yum.
You like that?
Wow.
Okay, let's see which toy did Naomi get.
I want it. It's a spoon.
So I think she got a some kind of horse. Let's see the picture. What did you got, Noah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a zebra. So cute.
And here's Noah's toy.
You got a zebra. Oh, aw, he got the bear.
Aw, come on.
You got the bear?
I wanted the bear.
You wanna trade, Noah? You wanna trade with Umi? Oh, she said she wants to trade with a zebra. You wanna trade?
I'll trade for only the bear.
That's very nice. That's nice of you. Say thank you, Noah.
Thank you, Noah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Where's your channel?
Enjoy your Kinder Joy. That rhymes. Enjoy your Kinder Joy.